Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade 10, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now, this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you might not know the combination to. So I'll lock the device quickly just so you can see that I do have a screen lock right over here, and I'll progress from here as though I don't know it. So number one, let's shut off the device. Hold power key and let's start again. Select power off. And once the device shuts off, you want to then hold power key and volume up. So both of them at the same time. And you want to hold them till you see the ZTE logo on the screen, at which point you can let go. Now, I do recommend holding the power keys and volume up a little bit longer. So once you see the ZTE logo, hold it for like 2 seconds longer. There's sometimes if you release it too quickly, it will just boot up normally. So from here, using volume keys, you want to navigate in order to select wipe data factory reset. And once it's selected as it is right now, press power key to confirm it. And then again, let's select factory data reset, confirm that. It will start giving you information right here. Data wipe complete should be the last option or last entry. And then reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once more just to reboot the device. And while the device is right now rebooting, it will continue to perform the reset in the background, so it will take it a little bit longer than it normally does for the device to boot back up. But once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.